Welcome, Nazmul. It's wonderful that you're interested in learning Quranic recitation. I'd be happy to help you with that. Which surah or verses would you like to start with today?
Okay, I'd love to start with the Surah Al-Fatiha, the first surah of the Holy Quran.
Great choice, Nazmul. Let's start with Surah Al-Fatiha. Please begin your recitation, and I'll listen carefully to provide you with feedback.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim. Ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin.
Ameen. Thank you for your recitation, Nazmul. You did a good job, and I appreciate your effort. Here are some points we can work on. 1. In Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim, make sure the ha is pronounced clearly from the middle of the throat. In Maliki Yawmiddin, the elongation of ma should be more pronounced as it's a mud letter. 3. In Dalladina An'amta Alayhim, the ah should be pronounced from deeper in the throat. Overall, you're doing well, but focus on these points to improve your pronunciation and tajweed. Would you like to try again, or do you have any questions?
Yeah, let's try again.
Please go ahead and recite Surah Al-Fatiha again when you're ready. I'll be listening closely to provide feedback.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim.
You've paused. Let's continue with the next part. Siratal ladina an'amta alayhim.
Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim. Ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin.
Much better, Nazmul. Your recitation has improved, and I can see you're applying the feedback. Here are a few additional points. In Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, your pronunciation was clear, but ensure the ah in Al-Alameen comes from deeper in the throat. 2. In Maliki Yawmiddin, your elongation was good, but focus on the dad in a deen to make it more emphatic. Overall, you're doing well. Keep practicing, and your recitation will continue to improve. Do you have any questions, or would you like to try another verse?
Thank you. Let's end here.
You're welcome, Nazmul. It was a pleasure helping you with your Quranic recitation. Keep practicing, and feel free.
তো আমি আসলে দেখলাম যতটুকু করা যায়, আমি আগেও বলেছি এটা কোনো পারফেক্ট সলিউশন না, বাট এটা যদি হয়তো নেক্সট ইয়ার এটা খুবই ভালো করবে দেন কম্পেয়ার টু রাইট নাও। সো ফাইন টিউনিংয়ের মাধ্যমেও এখনও হয়তো এটা আরও বেটার করা যাবে, বাট এটা একটু কস্টলি। সো আমি আসলে দেখাতে চেয়েছি মানে এআই দিয়ে আসলে কি করা যায়, বা শুধু মানে টেকনোলজিক্যালি চিন্তা করলে আমরা আসলে ধার্মিকভাবেও অনেক কিছু, স্পিরিচুয়ালি অনেক কিছু শিখতে পারি। মানে তো এতটুকুই। থ্যাংক ইউ।